Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this easy recipe inspired by my uncle, and if you guys are ready, we are going to get started. So to get started, we are using some potatoes, and these are the potatoes right here. It's about 3 pounds. So you want to go ahead and just cut them in the middle like that. So I'm gonna cut the rest off camera. So these are my washed potatoes after cutting them, and we are going to go ahead and lay them there. I did try my best to dry them up, and we are going to go ahead and season them. So this also works with potatoes and vegetables. And I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of those, 1 teaspoon of garlic and herb seasoning, ½ teaspoon of salt for taste, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of roasted garlic and herbs, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So this is going to help it crisp. So we are going to go ahead and just love on this stuff, guys. Just love on it. Love on it. Like that. So after loving on your potatoes, we are going to go ahead and bake this. So I'm going to bake this for an hour or until the tender roasted. And yeah, it's going to be at 350 Fahrenheit because I want to cook them slowly, guys. So guys, this is how the potato look like. They look so yummy and crispy. Look at that. We have reached the end, and this is how the potatoes look like. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and try it. Try to make it. So I'm gonna taste one. And oh, it tastes so good. All the flavors in there. Whoa.